When developing a website or other type of design, we must make use of CSS, which is responsible for decorating the website according to the web pages that are displayed. Each color has a range of values ranging from low to high, which we can easily select with the help of the color picker tool. Our tool provides you with a code that you have chosen graphically, and it then generates a color code that corresponds to that code. This program assists you in creating new colors and converting them into other formats. Go to https://toolsplice.com/color-picker. You can choose many colors and drop them in a palette as shown in the demo. Link of the tool is in description below. Please like, share and subscribe. Turn the notification on for getting daily updates on new tools for your successful online journey.